Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aksa and I am going to share my design process, how I deal with my UX and UI projects. In this video, I am going to share a complete process of redesigning a fitness website, a fitness landing page of my client. First of all, I will do the UX research, a complete study of the site. Like in that process, we will see like what are the things that make our client to redesign their site, what are their pain points, what they want to do, what really is their goal, and what they want to achieve through the new design that I am going to do in front of you. In the second step, I will prepare an information architecture, a user flow that you can also see a brain mapping of their site, how the user will navigate from one page to another. And the second thing that we will see in the information architecture is that how when a user will jump on one page, what are the sections, what are the things, and what are the goals they will see, and how they will go through our site. Like we will work on the user experience of the landing page. And the third thing that we are going to do is we will prepare is wireframe and then the design of the fitness app. So let's jump on the screen. So this is the site that we are going to redesign. That name is joeychecks.com and this is his site. As you can see, they wanted for me to redesign this whole landing page, this whole site, right? So we have to first figure out what are the wrong things here happening. Like we are going to study the site. As you can see on the hero section, they put a paragraph on the hero section. This is the hero section and they put a paragraph on it. That's totally wrong. On the hero section there would be a CTA so that because when a user jump on a landing page, he will stay on the main screen for 5 to 7 seconds, and in that 5 to 7 seconds we have to make the user to click or to click through a CTA and perform their action. Psychology says when a user jump on any site or whenever they see anything for the first time, in first 5 to 7 seconds they maintain their interest, and we have to target their interest in 5 to 7 seconds, right? So there must be a CTA on the hero section and must be a navigation bar so that it would be quite easy for a user to navigate from one page to another. As you can see here on the menu bar, they have all these sections: home, shop, pricing, checkout. That's totally wrong. It should be like in front of the page so that user would be able to navigate from one page to another easily. They have also search bar. Okay, so and the second section is what does the program consist of. So they have programs as well, customized workout plan, like they have features too. Again, popular programs section repeated here, that's wrong. Then subscribe plans, they have some subscribe plans, then newsletter and contact us form and the footer thing, right? So this is the landing page and we have to redesign this and to make the things quite simple without the repetitions of the sections. Other things, like you can see here, this is the home page, and in the shop section, let's see what is here. In the shop section they have again plans and only 3 plans. One more thing that you can see here, they applied some tags here, like some filters here. If you have a small amount of products in your site, then what is the need of using the filters on your site? That will need to be eliminated. Second thing is their pricing. Checkout result, products, checkout again, like checkout result and checkout again. In the pricing section, they have already, like, they have plans again to show checkout result. I don't think so there would be any checkout result, because the main goal of the client is to provide their consultation to their audience, to their customers, and to sell their programs, to let their user to buy and subscribe their programs. So I don't think so, like they will just come on the website and they will see the plans and the programs what they want to get. And checkout process is only happen when you are going to buy anything and you want to do a payment and all that stuff. That would not be here. Again, products here and card. We don't need card. So this is the whole study that we just did here. So we figure out the pain points, like when a user will jump on the site, customers are not able to see any CTA or to book any consultation, to see the programs directly and to purchase them. That's the problem. And when we will redesign this whole site, we will figure out this problem and we are going to solve the problem. So first of all, I will go on the Google and I will download a Chrome extension here, which is what is that? Live shoot Chrome extension. What happened? Extension. And second one is go to full page Chrome extension. This Chrome extension will help you a lot when you are dealing with the UX research. As you can see, it's downloading now. You have to pin this here on the above bar. Okay, so what happened? Yeah, it's now. We have to take the screenshots of this whole website and keep this in the Figma file. I do this work on my tablet, but in front of you I will do this in Figma file. Okay. I will drop here this page. Same thing with other pages. By pressing the Ctrl V, I will drop all these pages here. Okay, now home shop pricing. After home there will be shop screen. Shop pricing. Checkout result, products and checkout. Okay, so this is the whole site. I just drop this here on the Figma file, and I just take the screenshot of these pages just to show the client what are the wrong things happening on their site and how we are going to improve this. We are just going to present a plan in front of the client so that they can also put their suggestions there as well. So before the first meeting we do with the client, we have to figure out the problems, the pain points of their site, so they also know how and now about what's going wrong in the site and how we are going to improve this, right? So as you can see, I think I should also take a screenshot of this page. So I will use this Chrome extension, Lightshoot, and this will just take or record or take a picture of just a specific section. Now you can see like shop area, and pricing, shop and checkout result and checkout. These are the same things. Shop has something relational with the checkout result and checkouts. On the other way, they have programs. That's really important, like pricing and products. That's the same thing. We can say like there were almost 3 plans. So we can make a navigation bar like something like this, like there would be a home page and pricing area, like programs, checkout, free consultation, and FAQ, something like this. After I research like this, I studied their site completely, and on the next day there was a meeting with the Joy, and I told him everything about their site. Like there are some pages that are multiplied, and performing the same actions, and also on the hero section there's no any CTA, and it's really very complex for a user to jump on their site and to book a consultation with you. So he also agreed on this point, like they have on their site there is no any CTA that will help their user to figure out the things, right? Now I had to create a plan, user flow architecture for Joy's site. I will go here and create a new FigJam file. I will start to do work from here. So FigJam is one of the best tools to create a user flow or a plan or architecture for your software, for your system. I especially use this just because it helps me a lot. It's quite user friendly, and it's quite simple to use. And one of the best things is like it takes less time, just like pen and paper, you can easily drop a pin, like pick and drop the things, and you can move along the arrows just clicking on one click. So we are going to prepare a user flow now. Our second step is to prepare user flow for the Joyce site. First thing that I will do, I will rename this file with the user flow, and I will write here Joyce website name. Later this, I will go on his site. I'll right click, I will copy the logo and paste in the file to create an aesthetic, like we are specially doing this work for this site, for this company, for this logo. Now I am going to build a nav bar here with the I will write here about the page, about like what we do. Here I can select the shapes, whatever shape I want to choose, and different colors. This is our pen. By pressing the shift key, I can drag a straight line. And write text here, this is our nav bar. Second thing that second page would be our programs. Contact page. The user would also be able to sign up and sign in. CTA. CTA means call to action. When a user will click on that button is also known as call to action, so that there would be any action performed. That's why it's also known as CTA. Sign up and sign in. CTA. I'm changing its color. Then consultation page. And a profile icon. So this would be our nav bar section for areas. Now we will figure out the next thing, like each section on a particular or a certain page. Hero section. First thing first, hero section will be here. Like I want from Joy to use a video background there. Here section with video background that demonstrates his gym and his workout process and their training sessions, etc. Then about us and our programs, or about us section, our programs. And then what would be here? Subscription plan, and if there would be any, but I will confirm this one later. footer area. So these are the things that are really important to be put on the landing page. That's the same thing like on the other section, which is our programs. So what should be here on our programs areas? Like if you are still out of mind, you don't have any idea what would be or what should come here on this page, then you can do a little bit more search. You can go on different sites and check out on the Google if there would be any fitness app, and how they are presenting their programs and how they are providing their consultations, what they render that or what they render on that screen, and you can take ideas from there. But as I already did meetings with my client, and I know what they want to do during the meeting, it's really important to prepare a notepad or to keep a notebook near you, so that you can point out, you can write down all the important points, features, functionality they wanted to add on a specific page, or you can even ask from your client what they want to see on this specific screen. So that's really important. Review or testimonials page on the programs. I can also drop some notes here, for example, program related videos, describing its plan, details, and video. Like we can add, and you can confirm from the client what they want to add here. Then a contact form, sign up and sign in CTA. What happened when a user will sign up and sign in? Just like I figure out, I noticed this plan from Udemy or Skillshare. When any user purchase their subscription or they sign up or sign in, then they redirect to their dashboard, a personal profile dashboard, and they would be able to see all the profiles, all the programs they just purchased or they are watching or they are connected with. So this is that thing. And next thing is like book and consultation. So I will like book and consultation is if they want to book a consultation and they want to redirect. So first of all, they will sign up. If a new user come here, and if they are already signed up, then they can directly see calendar and view available time, and then consultation done. Now profile icon, in the profile icon they can see settings would be like changing their username or setting their profile picture or changing their password, etc. Settings like username, password, etc. And they will see programs they just purchased or they are watching, they are connected. They can also delete any subscription, delete any consultation or subscription, delete subscription. Like you have to include here all the possibilities that could be happen when a new user or already been used user come on their site. What could be happen, like all the possibilities. And once you prepare this sketch, this complete plan, you have to share with your client in a meeting. You have to keep your client side by side, so that they also know what is going, what are the progress, what we are going to do. It's not all about just redesigning the site. You have to also work on its user experience, how we are going to improve that, and what are the benefits that client is taking from us after redesigning their site. Okay, so you have to include all the possibilities, like delete subscription, or like they can also review on the programs, or review page, you can say this can be included. So this is the plan completed for the Joyce side. Our next step is to prepare the wireframe of this plan, and I already been prepared wireframes for this. So I will go here and rename this as UX research. Here I will do design. By pressing the key of F, you can see the frames come up here. Now I will select this one, rename as landing page. Now I have to redesign this, redesign the Joyce website.